This is a short clip to show you the main role of the Parser tab and how it is and how it should be used. So let's just go ahead and click on Parser and there. So the main role of the Parser tab is literally to parse anti-smash non-ribosomal peptide biosynthetic gene clusters and extract all possible intermodular linkers. Uh, and how this is done. Uh, this is done as follows. So if you are familiar with the anti-smash NRP biosynthetic gene cluster files, then just go ahead and click choose files. This is will help you to search for the file that you want to upload. So let's say sample clusters, and as you can see, all these clusters are GenBank files with the extension GBK. So please make sure that all of them are GBK. You get to pick one or multiple. Let's in this case just pick all of them and click on choose. If you didn't pick the right format, this will lead to an error message will pop out, and you will be able, and that will literally tell you to make sure to upload only GenBank format files. So once this is done, you can go ahead and click upload. It will literally give you a list of all files that has been just uploaded, and then you make sure everything is correct, and then you go ahead and click extract linkers. And by extract linkers, this is literally extract intermodular linkers. So we do that. We have two tables. The first table is the parsing summary. It's literally a small stat of the file that we just uploaded. So it will tell you number of files processed, number of linkers retrieved from these files, and number of files that didn't contain any linker. That's the first table. The second table will be the newly extracted linkers table. So, and they are deployed in the following format. Amino acid 1, linker, amino acid 2. What do I mean by A1 and A2? A1, since these linkers are between two modules, so, and every one of these modules is activating a very specific substrate, and we refer to the activated substrate of this module by A1, and we refer to the activated substrate by the second module with A2. So we're extracting the information as the substrate being activated from the first module, the linker that linking the first module, and the substrate being activated from the second module. And then you can see the length of the linkers and the description from which genome this information has been collected, and this is the cluster format. You get to, all these columns are sortable. You get to sort by length, by description, whatever you want, and they're also searchable. So if you want to go for ASP, for instance, or if you want to combine, you want, let's say, HPG, but then you want just the tyrosine. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake here, HPG. And here's the tyrosine, and then you shorten your description. And you get also to see how many entrants with this filtration you have. That's it. And of course, if there's an export data, you can export this format, and you get to save it and download it on your local machine. That's the main role of the parser. Just one more point. Let me go ahead back to parser. This was for those who are familiar with the NRP biosynthetic gene clusters. If you're not familiar, please feel free to click over this link, either to click here, or you can go to example of uploaded file. So let's just click here. This will lead to the same page, and this is just literally an example. So this is an example of a daptomycin biosynthetic gene cluster. So just go ahead and it will be downloaded, and you can actually open it and see how this file looks like, so that you know if you're having or uploading the right file or not. Thank you so much, and that's it for the parser. Take care.